Hi, everyone. I'm Dennis Patrick Slattery, and I've been teaching literature and myth for many years. And one of my favorites that is still a delight to read and share is Homer's Odyssey. Briefly put, it tells the story of one warrior who has been in war for 10 years and has been traumatized and wounded. And now he's looking to find his way home. So he's an orphan. And the battle that he has been in while a battlefield does not preclude any of us from considering how our own lives have been a war zone where we become embattled towards ourselves or our spouse or our children. And we need something healing to enter, like Athena. So the feminine is a major figure in the Odyssey, which is not true of the Iliad. So there are divine goddesses and there are feminine mortals who each assist Odysseus on a particular stage of his journey. So that key. The other key here is the presence of storytelling. Homer insists on the fact that Odysseus must tell his story of what he remembers he was in order to anticipate where he's headed. And that takes four full books of the 24 books of the Odyssey. And its storytelling is central to healing one's wounds. So the other piece that's important here to understand is that to learn in community with others sets up an energetic field in which everyone present benefits. So if you don't want to speak, it's perfectly fine. I don't call on anyone and making them uncomfortable about being called on. Many are content to listen, but you have the opportunity a couple of times during each class where you can let the rest of us know how you're thinking, what it has to do with your story, how being orphaned has felt for you psychologically. So it's very interactive, is the point that I want to leave you with here. And it's not me lecturing, it's us reading passages together and then ruminating on them to see what relevance they have for your life and for those who are on the Zoom class with you. I hope you'll join us.